Imagine if we could train artificial intelligence the same way students learn in school, starting with simple concepts and gradually moving to complex ones. This method is called curriculum learning, and it's revolutionizing AI. Unlike humans who learn intuitively from various sources, AI primarily learns through patterns in data. This makes curriculum learning particularly effective as it structures the way AI gains knowledge. Curriculum learning works by presenting AI with easier tasks first, allowing the model to build a foundational understanding before tackling more complex problems. This approach can improve learning efficiency and performance. An example of curriculum learning is in language models, where AI starts by learning basic grammar structures before moving on to more complex linguistic patterns. This ensures a solid understanding at each level. The benefits of curriculum learning extend beyond just better performance. It also helps in reducing the risk of catastrophic forgetting, where AI forgets previously learned information when new data is introduced. In educational psychology, this approach mirrors how students learn in schools. It's crucial for both human and AI learning to progress from simple concepts to more challenging ones systematically. Curriculum learning is a powerful technique that bridges the gap between traditional educational methods and advanced artificial intelligence training, making it an exciting area for future research and application. So there you have it. Curriculum learning is not just the way to train AI, but also reflects the principles of effective human education. How do you think this could change the future of technology and education? Share your thoughts.